Are you struggling to find a clothing manufacturer to handle your small order needs? Unlike traditional bulk manufacturing, small order clothing caters to lower quantities, typically ranging from 100 to 500 pieces per style per color. This offers a host of benefits, including flexibility, cost-effectiveness, basic customization. How do we look at order quantities as a manufacturer? Small orders are between 100–500 pieces. Medium orders are between 500–2,000 pieces. If you are looking for a small order clothing manufacturer in India, NoName stands out as the best choice for several compelling reasons. Flexibility, Flexi MOQ, cost-effectiveness, attention to detail. The link to the full blog is in the description below. For a trusted manufacturer, choose NoName.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.